Today, women feel more in charge of their finances than any other point in history. Empowered by greater purchasing power over recent years, women are really gaining more financial decision-making power and the primary decision makers for their households. So, Colton is joining us to talk about what that really means for us. Anna, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Tina.
Well, so we're talking about how things have changed. So let's say maybe over the last 20 years, what are we kind of seeing change as far as, I guess, our attitudes?
Yes, exactly. This is really exciting and very encouraging. We just issued, Merrill Edge just issued our biannual report talking to women about finances, and we found that 75% of the women that we spoke to indicated that they have more financial decision-making power than they have ever had in the last 20 years. And 55% of the women that we spoke to indicate that they are the primary financial decision maker in their household. So women are in control.
Well, now that we're in control, what did that data also tell us about our confidence?
So this was interesting. While we're in control, we're less confident than men about trusting our instincts around investing. So women are very comfortable trusting their instincts when it comes to raising their children, purchasing a car, purchasing a home. Over 70% are comfortable trusting their instincts there. But when it comes to trusting their instincts for investing, less comfortable than men. Now, the silver lining is that women are educating themselves. They are taking the time to build a relationship with professional experts like an advisor, and they're taking advantage of online resources to really make some informed decisions.
Well, when it comes to, like you were saying, the comparative between men and women and us going to companies for our investment information, did you see an objective difference between men and women?
So first and foremost, regardless, man or women, we are all interested in companies that are profitable. Performance is paramount. So finding companies that are going to give them the return that allows them to meet their investment objectives is first and foremost. The bottom line is the bottom line. But from there, women factor in other decisions, especially around issues that have social impact. So pay equity, companies that promote diversity, companies that invest in environmental sustainability. Women tend to factor those considerations into their financial decision-making around investments more so than men.
Well, and I know we're kind of focusing on women right now, but really just for anybody who can kind of benefit if we are going to do, that route where we go get professional help in investing.
So for anybody who's starting out, actually it's never too soon, never too late to put your financial well-being in place, building out a plan. For anybody who's new to investing, I always recommend building a relationship with a financial professional, because that advisor can really help you build out the plan. There are a lot of things to take into consideration, what your priorities are, what your risk objectives are, what your risk tolerance is. All of those are really important. So that professional advice, start there. But then there's some great online resources and tools that allow you to take control as well to meet those financial objectives and the investment return you're looking for going forward. So marrying the two is the best way to go.
Well, speaking of going online, where are some places we can go online to start this process?
So if you're looking to take a little bit more control, Merrill Edge Guided Investing is a tool that allows you to build out that plan yourself, and also marries the great industry-leading research that we have on the Merrill Lynch side. And if you're looking for more information about this report, you can go to merrilledge.com/report and get not only the report, but additional insights about investing and access to that industry-leading research to allow you to make some informed decisions going forward.
Well, Anna, thank you so much for this information.
Thank you, Tina.
We'll be right back.